ZEISS KINEVO 900 uniquely delivers a large working distance from 200 to 625 millimeters. This enables an ergonomic seated position, leaving the corridor above the situs for a free view on the monitor. In this working position, all movements can be controlled by the foot control panel. For demonstrating this use case, we configured the foot control panel as shown. The screen is configured to display working distance, zoom, and current XY mode. Using the configured lower left button, select the XY microscope mode. Use the foot control joystick to control the movement. Press the same button to activate XY stand mode. Pressing the same button again will activate point lock movement. You can also use the foot control panel to focus the live image or to increase the magnification. ZEISS KINEVO is configured on the top right button on the foot control panel and supports you to look around corners. Set up the monitor for DVI input on port B, duplicating the view from ZEISS KINEVO 900. Press the KINEVO button to activate the live view of ZEISS KINEVO. To go back to the live view from ZEISS KINEVO 900, press the same button again.